What's going on, y'all? It's your home girl Bree. I have to practice my own intro because sometimes I just be like, what? But yeah, y'all. Here we are. As you seen on the title, we need to sit down and talk about a couple things up and through here. Now, let me just give my disclaimer because you gotta do this on YouTube because you mean in comments. Technically, allegedly, precisely, that's technically not 100% correct if you look at the scientific data. Like, save it because I will delete that comment expeditiously. Now, let me tell you, each woman is different. Each woman does different things. These are my tips and tricks. If you have something different, more power to you. This is what works for more. Okay, now that we got that out of the way, don't you just be having to say a few things. That's about it. All right, so let's just be frank. The time of the month is just not friendly, okay, in any shape, form, or fashion. I think it's the most raggedy thing on earth. But here we are to make it a little less raggedy. In order to not be raggedy, like your routine sis got to be on point, make it a little bit more better. So the number one thing for me is drink your water, sis. What are you doing? I know you're not drinking soda. On your period, don't you know that caffeine causes cramps? Now you had a soda. Now your cramps are out of control and you're wondering why. That's why. Don't do that. Get you a water bottle. You don't have to drink 64 ounces a day like me, but drink you some water. It does help avoid the caffeine, avoid the soda. Soda bloats you anyway. You're already bloated on your period. You don't need no extra fluffiness, okay? It's already a struggle. Them jeans already don't fit. Don't do it to yourself. Love yourself. Get some water. Moving upward and onward. So, one of the things that I swear by, whether I'm on my period or I am not, is Cranberry. Now, you can get the gummies, you can get the tablets, the capsules, you can drink it. I ain't got time to, be drinking all of that. I already drink a lot of water. So I just take these. Just take the pills, okay? You can get these at your local Target, Walmart, Amazon, CVS, Walgreens, Kroger, wherever you are, whoever you are, you probably can find these. You got to keep your urinary tract healthy, okay? We want to avoid urinary tract infections. We want to avoid. This is prevention, sis. We don't want those things, so we're here to prevent. Anywho, now let me just say, before we get too knee deep, if you are experiencing some serious issues, they may not even be serious. They may just be something that you're not too sure about. Go to the doctor. Go to the doctor, sis. I am not a doctor. Unless someone on YouTube is saying they're a doctor, shows you their doctorate and all those good things. Just, Pinterest, it be plenty tips and tricks everywhere. I'm just saying proceed with caution. If you're trying things and they're not working, your safest bet is to legit go to the doctor. That's what they went to school for. That's what you pay your insurance for. Go there and get it taken care of. Whatever it is, which is none of my business. Whatever it is. Moving forward, another thing that's the absolute necessary for me is Midol or Pampering, or however y'all say it. But here's a secret, sis. So Walgreens sells the exact same thing, and it's called menstrual pain relief. It's the same thing that Midol and Pampering is overcharging for. Like, excuse me. I didn't sign up for periods, and now y'all want to charge me on pain relief? Absolutely not. Get you the knockoff brand. It's the same ingredients, works just as great, and it's legit the same thing. Don't play yourself, sis. You're going through enough at that time. Don't play yourself. Okay, moving upward and onward. The next thing, and honestly, this product I'm about to mention, when I first heard about it, I was like, y'all lying. Y'all always on the internet lying. Y'all is gassing this, just lying. Because when something gets so much hype and so much recognition, especially on like Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, or you just be like, nah. At this point, all of y'all lying. And that's just how I felt until I was just like, I'm going to just try it. and that would be Honey Pot. Yep, you heard right. Honey Pot is Black owned. It is woman owned, okay? I don't know why we were ever using products made for women that were created by men. They don't know. They're not us. And I love that it says that on the bottle. It says made by humans with vaginas for humans with vaginas, because it takes one to know one. I live for it. I'm just like, yes, you are absolutely correct. So I have the sensitive. This one I ran and grabbed out my shower. This is the one. This is my second bottle of this one. And this is the normal that I grabbed because look, Target, that's where you can get this. You can get this from Target. And where else have I seen this? Oh no, you're gonna have to take a look, because Honey Pot, now I know why it be sold out. It be sold out. They were running these like buy one, get one 25% off or 50% off. I went and bought two, of course, because it be sold out. And I'm just like, after using the first bottle, this is my second bottle, I was like, I cannot be without such a thing. This is a part of my routine. We must stock up, stock up, stock up. Okay. So I tried the sensitive one first because I was just like, I don't know about the normal. You know, that might be too strong. So I tried the sensitive first. It's paraben free. It's plant-based. It's 100% natural. It does contain colloidal silver. It's cruelty-free, sulfate-free, and it's gynecologist approved. Okay? Yes. We love to see it. And you can use it daily. It just says shake, pump 3 times. I found that I don't need 3 pumps because that's kind of a lot. I usually do 1 or 2, and then it does recommend that you wash with clean hands. Now, whether you're using a washcloth, your hands, whatever you may be using, just like y'all be bending over and dipping it low, dropping it hot, pop locking and dropping it to do these little TikToks and these videos and to twerk, you need to do the same thing in shower. Hit them positions, hit them positions, hit those positions to get down, up and through there. Okay, get all up in there. Drop down and get your ego on, girl. That's how y'all need to be in the shower too, the same way y'all be in these videos. I'm just saying. Keep the same energy, okay? Because your hygiene needs to be on point. And keep in mind, this soap or whatever soap you're using down there, and let me just get y'all together right quick. Do not be putting Bath and Body Works up and through there. Don't do that. Don't, please. I'm begging you, please don't do that. Don't put anything fragrance down there. Please. That just ain't right. That is not self-care or self-respect. Please do not do that. That is so bad. Like, them body washes, they say body wash. Then for the body, you should have 1 soap for your body wash and 1 soap for her. Okay, don't be trying to do that 2 for 1. That ain't right. It needs to be separate. Okay, now that I've addressed that, I feel better. Okay, now this soap or whatever soap you're using, this is not to be put on the inside. No, ma'am. You will see, I'm pretty sure she has it on here. Let me see, because I know I seen this on here somewhere. Watch I not be able to find it, because now that I'm sitting here looking for it, I ain't gonna be able to see it. Anywho, this is not to be put on the inside. You shouldn't be putting no soap on the inside. Outside. Keep it on the outside. Keep it on the outside. Okay, thank me later. Okay, but yes, this I approve of. It's only $7 or $8. Super affordable. I think it took me like a month and a half, 2 months to go through 1 whole bottle, and that's using it every day, sometimes twice a day, because sometimes I was taking showers or baths or, you know, whatever. Get you some, sis. Now for this one, the point outs, like the key ingredients to keep the pH balance, is lavender, vinegar, and calendula flowers. And then on the normal, the call outs, like the key ingredients, is lavender, vinegar, and coconut. So I say if you're gonna try it, try the sensitive first and then see how it goes. I'm gonna try this one just to see how it goes. It may work, it may not, you know, it's trial and error, just like skincare, body care. It's the same way. But yes, I highly recommend those. Okay. Next thing. Now, it is none of my business if you use tampons or pads, or if you use a combo, or if you use period panties, or you use a Diva cup. None of that is none of my business. None. What you do in your household, that is your business. But for me, I use tampons, and I prefer to use the organic tampons. And this is the brand at Target called Elle. They make tampons, wipes, pads, liners, you name it, they got it. And they're really affordable. So like this whole thing was $30, and I forget how many. No, it wasn't $30. Wow, that came out wrong. It is early. 30 tampons, and I wanted to say like I paid $8 for it or something. This also, what do they support? This is another brand made by women for women, and it also is cruelty free. It is certified, and they also donate to some type of girls foundation that helps fund for young girls or girls that don't have the means to get feminine care products to get them. The only reason you see like some Tampax Pearls in here is because I was working through them, and then I'm done with those and switching totally organic. These are also the pads. I threw out the packaging, my bad, y'all. The packaging for the organic pads, they have overnight, heavy duty, light, medium. Your usual, they're just organic and a lot better for you, okay? Make the switch, I'm telling you. Or whatever, like whatever works for you. Like I know people do different stuff, which is cool. I'm just saying, you know, I really like them, think you might like them. I'm just saying, you know, you can pick up a small pack. I'm just saying. Not sponsored, because y'all know ain't nobody sponsoring me. All right. So the next thing that I do use, and this is a new thing I picked up. This is CBD hemp gummies. And I picked these up here, and I was watching somebody's YouTube feminine care routine. I don't know, I watch so much YouTube. I watch it more than TV. I can't remember who. But I was sitting there, and they were like, oh, I usually take like some CBD gummies to help with pain. So if you're not into taking like pills and medicine and stuff like that, you can take CBD gummies. Now these are specifically formulated for deep sleep, you know, for people who, you know, it's like melatonin but better. I usually take one of these in the day to kind of like alleviate pain, and then like anxiety, stress, you know, all that extra stuff that comes with that time of month just kind of mellows you out. So you're not cursing nobody out. You didn't get mad at the lady who, you know, may have potentially accidentally on purpose forgot your whipped cream on your frappe at Starbucks. You know, you are calm, cool, collected, ready to take on the world. So, you know, if you're into CBD or that's your thing, these are completely legal. This is not weed. I feel like I shouldn't have to say that, but I'm gonna say it. But yeah, I got these on Amazon. You can definitely get them, or there's local CBD stores now, depending on what state you stay in. You can check them out. That's another alternative to taking like medicine. And then last but not least, this is something I picked up on Amazon as well. Isn't it cute? It has on a little sweater. So this is actually underneath the sweater is like a big old water bottle. And it comes with a nozzle that you twist in. And basically what I do is just boil some water and fill it up. And this thing stays hot for hours. So if your back is hurting or you got cramps or it's cold, you know, whatever it may be, you can just fill this up and it stays warm. It's pretty big. And, you know, it's soft because you got the little sweater that came with it. I also got this from Amazon. I will link the links down below for the stuff that I'm mentioning I got off of Amazon. But it just makes life better. It's already like an irritating situation, and these are just some of the things I do to make it less irritating and to stay fresh and stay clean. In addition to like the washes from Honey Pot, I do have like some wipes and stuff like that, because sometimes it can get a little messy, you know, or you on the run, you on the go. So just some things to make life a little bit better at a time of the month that's not so great. But yeah, y'all, those are the tips that I have to kind of get through the situation every month. I know everybody did, like I said, people do different things and more power to you. But sometimes you can pick up tips. Like I picked up the CBD tip kind of thing and finally tried Honey Pot, which I absolutely love now. You can pick up different tips and tricks from different things. You just never know. Like anything else, is trial and error. What may work for you may not work for someone else. What you may do may not work for something else. But I just wanted to come to y'all with a little help. You know, your home girl around the corner be trying to look out for y'all, okay? You know, help you up and through here. But yeah, if you're wondering about this makeup look, it's already up, honey. Don't even worry about it. Don't even worry about it. Brought to you by Juvia's Place. Yes, love them. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get off of here, y'all. I am not gonna hold y'all straight to the point. If you have any tips that you personally do and use, go ahead and chat about it down below. If any of these products you use and you can post your experience with them, that would be great. Help another girl out, okay? If y'all got any requests, go ahead and drop them down below. In the description box is always my Twitter, my Snapchat, and my Instagram. Was I about to say popular? I'm not popular. I'm most active on Snapchat. And then after Snapchat would be Twitter. So yeah, y'all can go ahead and follow me down below. And I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye.